steak. Hello guys, we're here at what? For the ante and roast steak. So dito yan guys. So pasok na tayo. So we reserve here lunch. Okay. So here with the Mi Familia squad, papasok na sila. So we're celebrating Kuya Mark's birthday with the Mi Familia squad, guys. So nag-park lang yung iba, pero we're here. Same place. Nothing. I told you, diba? Pwede. Siyempre, medyo talagang foods. Nama. What's that? Oh, shrimp fried rice. Gusto ng plain? Wala. Vegetable stir fry. Tapos merong fish fillet. Seafood kaju, wala nang laman. Pork back ribs.
So sa area na to yung tuna salad. Then meron yung soup dyan, yung miso soup. Yan. So dito naman sa part na to yung baked salmon. Ayan yung baked salmon natin. Then yan yung carving station nila. Then meron silang roast beef. Wow, looks so yummy.
So guys, this is the drinks.
Got some calamari, sisig, and kinilaw.
Mebre. Masa siya?
May pa yung pangaga. Hindi ko mas lampet.
We're done eating, guys.
Sa si Ellie. Si Ellie po ay busy natutulog. Si Ellie ay busy natutulog.
Wala po kayong oyster. So guys, this is the baby back ribs. It tastes Sternis. This is the, what's this? Spaghetti puttanesca. This is the roast beef. Ubus ko na. Then this is the tuna salad. Calamares, the dinakdakan. And so many more. Ellie is also eating. Daddy Ink. Ano ka lang, Miley? Para artist tayo. It's buko, what's that? Buko pandan? Pandan jelly pala. Thank you po. Sa pandan jelly. It's free. For our birthday celebrant. Birthday celebrant. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Thank you so much. This is the pandan jelly.
Jelly, lasang jelly.
Ay, katulala. Ay, katalaga na ni tao. Ay, kalaga na.
Siyempre, ano lang.
Ting maingit, oh.
Ay, safe kami. Idol na ako si Miley. Niya patinig ko pakya pusa.
Tinalakad na lapo. Tinalakad na. Mimita pa.
Saan sa mga?
Aloys. Hindi na kita Aloys. Hindi ka.
Thank you, Amanti.
Mansi?
Amanti, thank you. Ang init, guys. It's 1:19 here. Minunan eh. May pansit. Kasi mo nga tayong alimong. Na? Aten. Ito pala, te. So, we're done here at Amante. Hi, Miley! Saan tayo punta? SM. We're going to SM, guys. Kami yung last sasakay ng mga sasakyan. Let's go! So, guys, after namin sa Amante, we're going to SM!
Ay, 5,000 guys. 5,000 gas.
Mga ngwetane naman. Noon niya kaya mo to. So, dito kami ngayon sa SM parking area. Pang field trip na. Yes, mother. We're going to SM. Bantalo. Talo. Really ba kita? Okay. Pogi, pogi, pogi. Malaga, malaga, malaga. Kenneth magdalayang bag ko. Matutod na yung sana ano yati, Lois eh. Uh-oh. SM Hyper mo pala. Mira siya SM. SM Kai. SM Clark. Hello po. So, it's SM City Clark. Everyday fun.
Ay, may Judy
Sila. Ito pa po isa. SM Mall.
Kaya ko na yung manasyo na mga flavor.
Rupees. Yes, let's go. SM Clark Hypermarket. Hello. Hello. May wala lang. Aren. Because we're waiting for you. So what's this? It's Sunny's. We're here to the supermarket, hypermarket. Areta. Where's Lisette? Oh, I did not see. Wala yan. Where is she? Jessica, Jessica. Oh, where is she? Oh, there she is. What's that, sissy? What's that? Shampoo? So yan ang anong pinyali mo. Tara na. Yung man na bono. Tara na. Nabili mo na ang popcorn tapos na kami dito sa Dep Store. Ay, Piper Market. We'll go to buy some popcorn as per mom. Mommy's favorite popcorn. Paborito mo kayong tatters na yung popcorn. So, ayun siya. So, we bought family, super pack, yung price. So, that's it. The popcorn. Siyempre, originally yung mother. Tapos yung mga flavors, let's see. Tawin ko lang. So, we have nacho cheese, sour cream, Texas barbecue, white cheddar. That's the popcorn. So we got this, guys. That's the mother waiting for her order. Open. So we are here at Yao Yao. Matatag na yan naman ni Eliam. Sorry. Nang pangunakan kumain order lang. Yaw. Ang laking flavor. Ano kayang in-order da? Ano in-order you? Friends? Tabs? Ninong sano? Yan ako din sano. Hindi pala lakso. It's pistachio. Ellie is awake. Nasa yaw-yaw siya pero di siya kumain. Ay, kitang-kita yung kanyang pet. They are waiting for us. We better go now. Uy, cellphone.
Anyway.
Thank you po. We're going to Tatang Boy to visit him. So guys, after namin ng SM, we're here at Sierra Santa. Visiting Tatang Boy for the month of January. Look at the sky. Kung nga cemetery ini kasanting na yung view oh. Dibati ko nga ba yung sele? Tala pala lagi. Ito may wala na lang. April na. April yarin pala itatang mo.